Why every software professional should read The Presentation Secrets of Steve Jobs. Hello everyone. Why every software professional should read The Presentation Secrets of Steve Jobs. Hello friends. Today we will review the book The Presentation Secrets of Steve Jobs. What are the three main points that one can take away from this book? The first point is bullet kills. Bullet kills the presentation. Steve Jobs' presentation doesn't have any bullets, doesn't have any too much text. It has just pictures. Have I seen any presentation which had bullets? I was kidding. My all presentation, every slide had bullets. No, I don't put the bullets. I put a picture. So don't put a bullets. The author says very nicely, do a napkin test. Can you write your idea on the napkin? He gives the example of that Southwest founders when they were discussing the idea. He wanted an airline which can connect only 3 cities in Texas. He put 3 circles to demonstrate his idea to the other person, and what happened was the history. I do whenever I put a video, I do put some make some sketches, write on the paper, write the idea. So first thing is have a story, then come up with the slides to spice up your story. Second point is do include videos in your presentation. If you are giving presentation for 1 hour, it's very difficult to hold the attention of people for more than 1 hour. Studies have shown after 15 minutes, you will start losing the people. So the video keeps your presentation interesting. If you have some funny videos, some testimonials from the clients, interview with the clients, some video to demonstrate your ideas, use videos. Point is dress up your numbers. When Steve Jobs was introducing iPod, it had 5 GB capacity. This 5 GB meant nothing to anyone. So Steve Jobs said, this iPod can hold 1000 songs. Everybody understood. Then he said, you can put iPod in your pocket. And he pulled up the iPod out of his pocket, and it made sense to everyone. Let me give you example of how Steve Jobs used to say the number and how Bill Gates used to say. So Steve Jobs would say something like that. Now I would like to tell you a few things about iTunes that are pretty exciting. We are selling over 5 million songs a day now. Isn't that unbelievable? Now, how Bill Gates said in a meeting, the process we have been through over this year, there was a beta 2, got out to over 2 million people. The release candidate, which was our last chance for feedback, got out to over 5 million. Last year, I went to Microsoft Envision event, and I heard Satya Nadella, and his speeches were a lot better. His speeches had a lot of personal touch. He talked his son has some medical problem and he went to the hospital, and when he went to the hospital system, when he went to hospital, he saw a lot of computer running on the Windows. And he said to himself, oh my God, I hope this system works fine. He was mentioning how the quality is important to him. At event, somebody from the Microsoft asked me for my feedback. I gave my feedback, like I told, I don't know whether you will take it as compliment or not. Your presentations were like Steve Jobs. She said very interesting thing. She said Steve Jobs used to talk to the common people. We talk to the corporate world. We have to make our main customers are corporate. We have to make sense to our corporate world. So that made sense. 3 points one can learn from this book is: don't use bullet, don't use diagrams, don't use too much text. Second point is use video. And the third point is dress up your number. Your number should make some sense to the people. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Vikas Kearney. I have more than 20 years experience in IT industry. Do subscribe to my channel for regular updates.